If your Chevy Traverse won't turn over when you twist the key, don't call a tow truck just yet. Over a third of starting issues on these models stem from the ignition cylinder or the anti-theft system. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out why your key isn't working. Start with the basics by confirming your battery is strong and the security light isn't flashing. Your key does more than just turn the lock, it sends a digital handshake to the car's computer. If the dash stays dark when you turn the key, the physical ignition switch is likely the culprit. Try the 10-minute security reset before spending hundreds on new hardware or professional labor. Most parts are affordable, but labor costs climb quickly if a mechanic has to tear down the steering column. This relearn procedure syncs the key and the computer, often fixing the no-start condition instantly. If you need to go deeper, a basic set of Torx bits and a trim tool are all you need. Remember that a loose battery terminal can perfectly mimic a broken ignition system. Hopefully that reset gets you back on the road. Check our other videos for more Traverse fixes.